What is up, everybody? I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. And today I'm going to bring you another video in the Behind the Wheel series. Now, just to remind you, the Behind the Wheel series is all about the car, but not just its technical specs or modifications. It's also the history of the car, the story of the car, and its owner. And I'm excited to bring you this video because it's all about my buddy Gus. Now, I've known Gus probably the better part of 20 years. I mean, I met him, he was just a young guy hanging out in his cousin's Mustang. And one thing that Gus is all about, it's anything with an engine, whether it's two wheels or four wheels. And he's had some beautiful cars, and many of them are Mustang. This guy definitely bleeds Ford blue. So at a recent car show, I got a chance to talk to Gus about his screaming yellow 2004 GT. Car is absolutely incredible, and he's a heck of a guy, but I'm going to have him tell you more about it.
Bought it back in 2018. Found it from a buddy of mine who had it. Asked if he wanted to sell it. He said sure. I picked it up the next day. From there, it all started with all suspension work, Cobra control arms, BBK upper and lower, rear control arms. I mean, you name it, it has it. Subframe connectors, everything. From motor mounts being solid to the rear diff cover. And then I got bored of it after a while, and I put a Procharger on it. Got that ball rolling. I'm gonna say April of this year, 2020. And then pretty much did all the aesthetics that I wanted. Cobra hood, Cobra bumper, Cobra mirrors, 99 taillights, the drag, billet specialty drag wheels. And then next I'm gonna do a T56 swap. The car is super rare for what it is. It's got the Mach 1000 sound system, leather, pretty much a fully loaded GT. And
you've had a lot of Mustangs, you've had two valves, you've had Coyotes. What made you go back to this car after all those?
Well, simply because it's just raw. There's no, I can't explain it. It's just, it's old school feeling. The new ones are too luxurious for me. You know, powerful, but nothing like a new Edge.
So there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed this video on Gus's GT. It's definitely an impressive build. And of course, he's not done with it. It's going to keep getting better and better. So if you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And better yet, make sure you subscribe to get all the content on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.